Hey guys, Sandy here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am scrapbooking these two photographs. This is me and Vicky Booten at Creativation, and I am going to be using my How to Kill a Kit with Style for the month of August. So let's see what I can do. Alright, so I do have one 4x6 portrait and one 4x6 landscape, and I know that sometimes people look at that and might cringe because, you know, they don't box up together nicely. The photos just don't match up, and they're kind of difficult sometimes to pair. However, I do have kind of a go-to design when I do have one portrait and one landscape photo. And I will be sharing more about go-to designs coming up here shortly, so hint, hint. But now I am going to take this white cardstock and I cut it down to 10 by 10. And what that is going to do is give me about of an inch border all the way around. So I have these couple strips that are still left over from my kit, and I'm building a double base here. Now normally I would do a single kind of shelf so that my photos could rest on there, but in this case I decided to do two. I am also going to mat both of my photos with 4.5 by 6.5 inch papers, and I'm going to mat them in two different papers. I'm not going to actually mat them in the same one, and that's just because I really want to introduce a pretty significant level of color on this layout. And I say significant within my kit. So not significant within like all the colors of the rainbow, but just with the colors that I have ready to go and working within this kit. And I'm doing that because the photos are, you know, they're busy. There's a lot of color, there's a lot going on, it's creativation, lots of things in the background. So I'm just trying to, you know, kind of keep that whole lots of color, lots of things going on throughout the entire layout. So I do have this tiny pink doily, and I'm going to place it up here kind of to join these two photos together. And then I'm going to pull out these thickers right here, and it says, the thing is it says hi honey, but you know, I don't call Vicky Booten honey, so I mean, she probably would laugh, but you know, whatever. So I decide that I'm going to just use the hi, and I pull out the simple stories phrases and I say, so cool. Now, the title is not hi, so cool, I promise. I am going to work on that. Now, if you can't tell, her dress does have airplanes on it, so that is why I introduced the airplane here up here by the title. Now, I do have to say, this Let's Wonder collection was the collection that she was debuting at Creativation, and it just spoke to my soul. You guys know I love me some airplanes in my scrapbooking, I love me some travel themes, and it just really just made me ridiculously happy. She also showed me her dress and told me where to get it, and I have that dress hanging in my closet now, guys. Yeah, so that is where we are. Now, I thought I was going to use these letter stickers from the kit to spell out the word dress, but I didn't have enough S's, so it wasn't going to work. I do have to go into my stash to figure out how in the world I'm going to spell the words that I need to spell to make this title coherent instead of it just saying hi, so cool. So I do pull out my smaller letter stickers here. And these are tile letter stickers, smaller size tile letter stickers, and smaller letter stickers that are in this little bin right here. So I decide to really embrace the gold, and I pull out these pink paisley letter stickers, and I spell out the word dress. Now I am going to flip through them again just to figure out which little tile stickers I'm going to use. And I decide upon these Kaisercraft ones, and they're kind of like this dark khaki and chocolate. So basically my title is going to say, hi, your dress is so cool. And I think that is literally what I said to Vicky when I saw her at Creativation. And then we talked about her dress and where to get it and everything for like 20 minutes. And my love of airplanes and all that good stuff. So there we go. And then I decided, you know what? She's debuting her Let's Wonder collection. It's a travel collection. She's wearing an airplane shirt. I dig travel. I dig airplanes. Might as well embrace that theme. So I placed the globe down here at the join where the two photos meet at the bottom. And then I'm just going to flip through my kit and see what I can use. So I do use this teal word dream, and I bring that in because I've got a bunch of teal going on already in this layout. So if I introduce it at the bottom of the layout where it's already all over the top, it gives me a little bit of a cohesive feeling from the top to the bottom. Now I am also going to put some of these chipboard stars down, and then I go in to my enamel dots and I'm just going to sprinkle those around as well. Now I am a fan of 3 enamel dots together. I think it's just a nice balance. That is kind of a design principle, 3 things together. Design principle like triangle, that kind of thing. But it's not me thinking, man, I've got to apply the triangle design principle to this page. It is, I like odd numbers of things, so I go ahead and place those down. Plus I like a mixture of sizes within my enamel dots. Now I do add this little chipboard pink piece right here because I got pink, you know, popping throughout the layout, so I thought it was completely appropriate to put on there. Now I'm going to do a little bit of journaling down here, and I'm just going to talk about how great Vicky is, and she spends time with you when you're at her booth with American Crafts. She really does take the time to explain her new line, and she's genuinely excited about it. It's not like she's just like, buy my stuff, okay, bye. She has genuine excitement. So there it is, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for joining me, and I will see you guys again real soon for another video.